Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a class reminder clip for the beginners at the Kenn Centre on the 22nd of November. We did an arm jive, a shoulder slide, a lady spin and a basket. Links in the description below if you want teaching details for any of those moves, and this clip will show you how everything went together. We started left to right for the arm jive and it went 7 and 8. Offer, left, right, shoulder, turn, face, return for the shoulder slide, we went slide, caught right for the lady spin, prepare, spin, catch left, return to two hands for the basket, and we go wrap, twist, round the corner, over and look, return and back. And that was that. Hope you find that useful. If you do, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.